My name is Riddhi Agarwal. I joined Aakash Byju's in 2019 for foundation course in grade 9. I started early in foundations in grade 9 and I also cleared NTSC Stage 1 exam with rank 1 from Karnataka. What inspired me to start early in foundations was my father. He came to know about Aakash Byju's from his friends and colleagues, and they told him that Aakash Byju's as an institution helps aspirants like us to prepare for competitive exams and clear them with good ranks. So he thought okay, I should also send my daughter to this institute so that she can also achieve her dreams and clear exams with good rank. And that is when we decided to join Aakash Byju's. We also felt that it would give me an edge over my peers when I prepare for highly competitive entrance exams like JEE in the future. My main inspiration for appearing for IOQM were my seniors who had already cleared this exam. When I joined Aakash in 9th grade, and as soon as I entered the Aakash building, I was greeted by their posters, the posters of my seniors who have already cracked this exam with good marks and good ranks. So when I saw their posters, I felt okay, one day I want that even my photo is put in one of those posters and my juniors would see my poster and feel inspired to crack this exam. And that is how I could also make my parents feel proud. I used to see the pictures of my seniors behind the books and I thought कि हाँ ठीक है, एक दिन मेरी भी photo आनी चाहिए किसी book के पीछे. So that is what formed my resolve to clear this exam. And also maths being my favorite subject, I had some passion for it and I had कि हाँ कुछ तो करना है. So वो अंदर से आवाज़ आई and that inspired me for IOQM. In order to qualify IOQM, I cannot really quantify the amount of time that is sufficient because I can't tell you that 2 months are sufficient or 6 months are sufficient. You have to be consistent. Like when we were in 11th class, our IOQM classes started around June or July and the exam was in January. So we used to have a 3 hours class once every week and I used to spend those 3 hours in the class plus the time required for solving the assignments like OCAPs or the previous year test papers or the mock tests conducted by Aakash. So I would say I spent a total of the time required for completing all of this and that was sufficient for clearing the exam. Well, my paper attempting strategy at the time of exam is actually what is very crucial and that is what makes or breaks the game. Because in the exam hall, when you have practiced so much for such a long time, and it is only if you have the right exam temperament that you can handle the questions and the pressure at that point of time. So when I attempted the paper consisted of 2 markers, 3 markers and 5 markers. I started with the 2 markers. And when we were in 11th, once one of our teachers told us that whenever you sit for any exam, your efficiency level first increases, it reaches a peak at the middle of the exam and then gradually decreases. So the critical questions have to be handled in the time when your efficiency is at its peak. So that is how I attempted my paper. I attempted the 2 markers first, which were like a warm-up for me. Then I went for the 5 markers or the crucial questions and then finally the 3 markers. After I finished all of this, I went back again to the questions which I could not solve during the first time. And I made sure that I did not spend a lot of time on a single question, rather moved on with the questions which I knew and could solve with perfect accuracy and speed. My success mantra, the main one, would be that never ever lose your confidence and believe in yourself. When you're preparing for this exam, never do it, taking some pressure कि I have to do it, teachers ने बोला है, parents ने बोला है, दोस्त क्या बोलेंगे. Just don't think about it. Rather do it for pleasure. Enjoy your preparation, enjoy the things that you're learning while your preparation. Just enjoy the whole journey and that is when, when you clear the exam and when you get the fruits, the feeling, it can't be described in words. It will be amazing. So just believe in yourself, have confidence and never ever compare yourself with others. There might be times when you might feel कि I studied a lot but I did not get good marks. It's okay. Do not give up. Try another time, learn from your previous mistakes and just keep moving. Do not stop.